Want to shatter objects in Blender easily? Let's get started. First, go to Edit, then Preferences, and enable the Cell Fracture add-on. Now select the object you want to shatter. Go to Object, then Quick Effects, and click Cell Fracture. Once the pieces are created, select all of them. Go to Object, then Rigid Body, and choose Add Active. Next, select your floor or any surface. Go to Object, then Rigid Body, and set it to Add Passive. Hide the original object to keep things clean. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Spacebar for full screen view. Then press Spacebar to play the animation. Boom! Your object shatters with realistic physics. Like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips.